Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Trust Wallet is installed and updated. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, get Maestro Bot's wallet address or its Wallet Connect QR/deep link. That's your handshake. Next, open Trust Wallet and enable Wallet Connect in settings. This prepares the app to accept external dApps. You do this first because Wallet Connect mediates secure signing. Finally, keep your recovery phrase offline. You will never paste it during this process. Now you authorize the connection through Wallet Connect. Scan Maestro's QR or tap the deep link inside Trust Wallet. You will see requested permissions. Make sure to read each one. Usually it asks to view your address and sign transactions. Approve only what Maestro needs to function. Once connected, the bot can propose actions but cannot withdraw without signatures. If prompted to sign a transaction, verify amounts and destination, then confirm. Make sure to close any unexpected. Finish by confirming Maestro displays your Trust Wallet address and the permission list. That indicates a successful connection. Once connected, test with a small reversible action or a read-only data request. This validates signing without risk. If something goes wrong, first restart Trust Wallet and Maestro, then rescan the QR or reopen the deep link. Check your mobile network and app versions. If errors persist, revoke the session in Wallet Connect and repeat the pairing to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.